Part 2 of how to drive a truck with 2 transmissions. Alright, first gear, you got first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First is low, low, second, low, third, direct, fourth, into over. So if you're heavy, start first and first. Then you can come back, immediately grab second, third, fourth, up to second. You would think you'd go back down to first, but you actually go to second if you want to maintain the same speed you were going before. But what I do is I come down to third, over to fourth, back down to third, smash this one back down to third, up to fourth, into fourth gear on this first, and the brownie down to third, over to fourth, back down to fifth, and at the same time you grab third, then you grab fourth. Now you're moving at your maximum speed. Now the issue here is that these are non-synchronized. You can't shift them just by putting your clutch in, and you obviously don't want to stay in neutral for a huge period of time, so you have to rev match with the RPM, adjust your throttle onto the truck in order to make sure you get both these 2 gear shifts in. Now the issue is you don't really want to spend a lot of time in neutral. So your top gears are relatively easy because you can get both fingers, grab both these 2, shift them back at the same time, then reach over, grab your third. All I'll do is I'll let off the throttle, smack that one down with that one while I shift my hand with that one. That immediately puts you into the next gear. Then when you're slowing down, you need a little brake. So I'll use this part of my foot for the brake there. That way I can rev match with the throttle, kick that one forward while I push that one into the next gear there. So I'll shift this one with my foot while I use my left foot for the gas and brake as I shift this one with my right hand. I mean, that's just strictly because that range between second gear and first gear is a little bit too hard. Whereas the rest of them I can kind of manage with using 2 hands and wiggling them around that way. Now we could do a video explaining exactly what gear and how to match it, but that's a different part. Plus there's the third stick for the transmission back here, and that would be another video too on how to shift the third stick for the third one.